Hello, darling.
Oh, I'm so happy. I wish everybody Merry Christmas.
We're so excited to see all of you guys. I'm so happy.
Oh, I feel very good. I'll be better at 10:30.
Hi everyone, I'm getting ready to go and celebrate Christmas party with my workmate, and this is my third year celebrating Christmas party with them, so I'm very happy and excited for a day. And this is my outfit. Okay, I'll guys see you later. I'll show you my friend. So guys, my friend Ugen is here. Ugen is here with the curling hair. She's baby doll today. Ugen, Ugen, who do you think will be the Mangi? Who do you think will dance the most? No.
Muskan, Youngjin, Nan,
Me no.
Nangla. And Youngjin is sure she already started now.
What about yourself?
I will.
Look at her hair. Look at her hair. Natsam is like a baby doll. She was preparing her hair from yesterday itself, and it's a hard work paid off. Okay, we're here at Youngchin's house.
Women in black, yeah, everyone.
Oh yeah, Youngchin is here. Oh, Juta, come here. And this is Youngchin. Look. Today coincidentally we are wearing black dress.
Black, all black.
It was not planned. It is unplanned. So we're going to talk in English today, okay? Because
Improving English. Because we are going for the Islam party.
yes, today's our star party. That's why we're
So
going
no
to speak.
Zongkha.
Yeah, no Zongkha today, so we have
It's
to
a chill
speak.
party, so only English.
Yes, so we have to speak English only. Otherwise, our friend will not understand what we are talking about. Rinzin is here. So guys, we have started our journey to cruise. So we have Ajim Rinzin this year. Ajim Rinzin, how do you feel coming to Christmas party this year? You didn't come last year.
This is not my first time.
Yeah.
I've been there before.
Yes.
I just missed last year.
Yes.
So I'm joining you guys this year.
Why did you miss last year then?
Well, to be very honest, I really don't get the vibes with you young girls. I thought I need someone of my age, so I didn't go last year. But I thought, why not try this year?
No, to be honest, to be really honest, you look younger than me when you put makeup on. You look really younger than us. Look at us.
Together, we look like the same age.
Yes, we are vibing each other together, and you look
Well, how
at
it
our
looks
same age.
doesn't matter. It's
No.
the feeling, you know.
Yes.
I know I'm a matured lady, so no matter
No,
how
not
young
mature
I
lady.
look outside,
Your mind is still active. Active than us. Active and younger than us. So we're going to enjoy it this year,
let's
right?
see how we go.
Hello. Hello, Christina. Hi. How are you today? Good. Are you excited today? Yeah, good. Yeah. Nice okay. I'm gonna make a vlog. All right. Richard, why are you coming? Upper Albert. How are you feeling today?
I'm very well. So excited to see all of you guys. I'm so happy.
Same to you. What is this?
Oh, this is the drink. That drinks for everybody. For Ella Williams.
For Ella Williams.
Yes.
Oh,
And I'll see you shortly.
You're a real Appa.
Thank you.
Hi, Vicky.
Hello.
You look beautiful.
Thank you.
How
hello.
do you feel today?
Oh, I feel very good. I'll be better at 10:30.
Yeah. You look beautiful, Sam.
Thank you very much.
Alright? Okay. So this is our third time, right? Third party, Christmas party together.
Oh, yes. It's our Christmas party. Hopefully have, I don't know how many, a lot of you come by yourselves?
Yes.
Have you seen? Oh, okay.
What about you?
I come in with David.
David?
Yeah.
Oh, really? Okay.
So we're going to go and get the food and the drinks. Otherwise,
Okay.
Madonna will
All right.
kill
Enjoy.
me.
Grace. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm gonna boogie today. We're gonna have fun.
Something about today.
Oh, we're gonna have a nice time. I feel amazing, and I can't wait to get on the boat
Me too.
with all of us,
Yes.
our beautiful staff.
Yes.
Good to see them.
Yeah.
Now, darling, oh my God! Are we in television? Oh my God!
Are you excited today?
Very excited. Oh my God!
Tell me something. What do you feel now?
Feel very happy.
Happy?
Happy and speechless. Looking at everybody with everyone of the one I love.
Thank you.
Thank
You look
you.
very fresh today.
Thank you.
How about you, Malita?
I'm okay. I'm surviving.
Yeah. Come here.
I'm still.
Looks a bit dark from here. Okay. Tell me something about today.
Today is so good. I'm so glad that I'll see you all,
Yeah.
and you all both stunning.
Yeah.
And today, I think we're gonna be celebrating. It's a company party, so we have a good time tonight. And you look so stunning too.
Thank you. You look very
Thank you. Recovering, as you know.
Okay.
Okay. Merry Christmas all.
Merry Christmas. Hello, Moshmi.
Hello, Gulzar.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you? Thank you. You look beautiful too. Yes, it is. Yeah, we are going to have a fun tonight. Yeah.
Tell me something today.
Today is we're gonna have a lot of fun, and we seeing lots of our friends and colleagues together, isn't it? So who we cannot see usually every day.
Yes.
So this is gonna be lots of fun. Yeah.
Okay. Enjoy today.
Thank you.
Jigis turmo ekbar minile demna malum ja. Yalla. Hangal na? Hangal kes tursho.
Koi pop mi ta mate.
Ka ibi joncha sa? Who is coming?
Pop ta chilege ti jung ta.
Who is coming?
Samosa ge pop ta nga.
Richard, you didn't tell me anything today.
Okay, wait a minute.
How much is ring? Ring, look here. Kile. Oi, Maya ni. Hello, Durga. सब दिखा रहे देखो देखो
You look pretty.
Shami you look beautiful. We're going to talk in English today, okay?
Okay.
No Hindi, Nepali. Okay?
Only English.
Only English.
Only English today.
Who's there? Who's there? Who's there? Who's there? Who's there? Who's there? Hi, David. Are you happy today? Are you excited?
Yeah, so excited. Yeah,
Is this your first time?
yeah, first time.
Yeah?
Yep.
First time. You didn't come last year, right? You're
Nah,
not
last
here,
year,
no?
nah.
Okay. The another cruise is going here.
Yeah.
Hello, Roshan. How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Good. Are you happy today?
Yeah, a little bit excited too.
Okay, tell me something about this Christmas party today.
Looks good. A little bit vibes. Like a party.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Pujan, how are you?
Not
tell me
too
something.
bad.
I know you'll say something today.
Um,
How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling quite happy. That's it.
What is the difference between this year and last year? We
I
came
feel
here,
the
right?
boat is quite bigger.
Yeah.
Much
Really?
bigger than the last
year?
Yeah.
Okay. Anything what you feel? Oh my God, I'm so happy. I wish everybody Merry Christmas. Yeah. Ready? So guys, we are here and I think we are boarding now. And this is the scene and we are in cruise. We can show you around. Suraj, can you show you around? So this is my colleagues, my Christmas staff today. It is so fun to be here. This time we have a bigger cruise than last year. The view is very beautiful. The view is so nice, and I think I'm going to enjoy today. I'm going to enjoy today with my friends.
Enjoy.
Yeah. Richard, are you scared?
I am, yeah, but
You're holding very tight.
I'm sitting in the wrong place.
Huh? Do you know how to swim?
I know how to swim.
Yes?
Very good.
Really? Are you sure? Looks like the way you're holding that one looks like you don't know how to swim.
I know how to swim very well.
That's nice then.
Special solo for us.
Especially solo for you?
Yeah, solo for all us.
Looks like 황선재? 에마다지? 주블라니 하나? 주머니? See, she looks beautiful. Is this your first time? Yeah. How do you feel? And nice pose. What? There's something. You just think
I'm getting older. I'm still enjoying. I'm so happy with all these Ella Williams stuff. Mwah.
Thank you. Thank you. Just like this. Like
Our Christmas party was on cruise, and the cruise was awesome. We enjoyed a lot in our Christmas party, dancing, eating. I loved it, and all of my friends loved it.
How was the party, Tracy? Beautiful. Wild.
Bloody awesome. Dance all night long. Woohoo! Jennifer Ella Williams.
I'll be back. How's the party, Sissy?
Thank you, sister. The party was so good. It was great. We had fun, and we just want to say Happy Christmas to everybody and Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas. So guys, I'm ending my vlog here. We are going back. We had a good time together, and hope we enjoyed thoroughly. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye. We enjoyed a lot today. So look at this. These are all my friends. We are going back now. We enjoyed so much. Thank you for organizing such a Christmas party and hoping for next year too. Okay, bye. Did you enjoy today?
I enjoyed a lot and I danced like anything. My feet is hurting now, and now we are going to next party, karaoke, to sing and again to dance. And you know what?
Yes.
Tomorrow we gotta work as well. Morning.
And she's the morning old.
We're gonna
Okay, we enjoyed a lot, and the dancing is the main thing in the Christmas party today. Oh my God, we danced a lot and we're so tired now. So we're going back. Say bye bye. Bye.